Hello, this is day one of just recording and getting some videos out in order to develop my brand. I had several brand ideas that I wanted to do. One is a grandma style delivery. Well, this is going to be a series of just putting information out there and seeing how much better I can get. Right now I'm in my car, but maybe it would be cool with a white background and maybe get dressed up and put some makeup on, and we'll see how it goes on day 29. I just pulled over, grabbed my MacBook Pro. I just noticed where I parked, and it is next to this enormous pin oak. It's a very important tree, and I'm just so glad I stopped right here. I will probably put some information about this amazing pin oak and definitely insert a picture. The main purpose for me coming online is I want to teach people how to do my job. The number one thing about my job is it's about having courage. It's about read the job description over and over and over. I've done it for years. I've had the same job for, 20, 30 years, something like that. It's always good, especially when people will say, no, that's not your job. And you know that that's your job. It's in your job description. So that's the reason why I usually read it over and over and over, just to do my job correctly, despite what your supervisor, project manager, anybody says. You know better than anyone. So I'm going to have a course with a textbook, and you can reference it, and it's going to have the job description and all that. So number one job description is know the construction documents, because if you read them, you will become so incredibly empowered. You go through the whole thing really quick, become familiar with the different sheets, know how many architectural drawings there are, see how the architect organized them. Then there's the structural drawings and the site drawings and grading, utility. There could be a logistics plan. There is a survey that I actually really don't look at very often because I don't do surveying, and I wouldn't know what northerlies and westerlies or whatever they are proper. Anyways, become familiar with the construction set. This series, I also want to teach people how I exactly do my job, because it has just really excelled in the past, 4 years, or since 2022, really, since ChatGPT came out, and then everything else is following. These open AI resources, tools are extraordinary, and I can't wait to teach you about them. But do the old-fashioned way first, and read the drawings. As far as specifications, I kind of have them all memorized over the years. So now what I do, since I understand the format, I just simply run a search of a keyword that I'm looking for. And I pretty much know what all the keywords are as far as quality assurance or quality control. So that's how I know which word to look up, I suppose. And if there's any issues, you just listen in on what the issue is, and then you just know how to look it up. If you're curious about a code issue, you could just simply look it up. I personally, here I go. I'm just telling you how I do my job because I love it. I can't hold back. I do text to speech. So I just rely on Google AI. I call it Google AI. It's the Google search engine, and it's just as good as anything else. It's as good as Claude or ChatGPT or anything like that. And by the way, ChatGPT is amazing now. It used to have this disclaimer saying, hey, we don't have the information. It's only good up till 2020, like 2 years ago or something. But now it is, I swear, it's real time. And I just asked Google AI, the Google search engine, if ChatGPT and other open AI tools like this, do they learn from us just simply using it? And the answer is yes. So we're training it, and that's why it's becoming more and more real time, or at least that's what I believe. That's how the machine is learning. So yeah, search. Control F is your friend when you're looking through the specifications, and with the drawings, just go through them really quick at the beginning, really understand how the architect is thinking and how they organize it, and then they have like a little picture up top, a contextual picture, and they break down the drawings. Can't remember what the term is right now, but they're like, you zoom in on it and close up. And yeah, so that's all I'm going to talk about right now. And just please bear with me. I'm 28 days, hopefully I'll be able to be a better speaker, and maybe these videos will be cooler, and maybe grandma style will really come out, and hopefully you enjoy it and watch it and learn. Like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.